Hello besties, welcome to my channel. On day one series of cooking with just 3k, let's go to the market and see what we get. I got one of these smaller pomo for 500 naira. I got okro of 500 naira, then the scent leaf 200 naira, and the pepper soup spices for 200 naira each. Then I got one of these fish for 1000 naira. So this is me at home showcasing all that I have gotten from the market with 3000 naira. So our okra is 500, our fish is 1000, our pepper is 300 naira. Then we got this pomo 500, and the crayfish 100 naira. Then the pepper soup spices 200 naira each, and our scent leaf for 200. So if you sum up everything, it's going to be 3000 naira in total. And the soup we are preparing today is okra pepper soup. I know you've not heard about that. It is very nice, so do well to watch this video to the end. So this is me washing my okra, bringing out my knife from this my amazing shaping board that I got. Then what we are going to do is to carefully remove the top here, this side. So we carefully remove the top and wash the okra very well before grating it. So now I am grating the okra. This is the grater I'm using, but then you can use any grater of your choice and use the bigger part of the grater to grate your okra. You can also do this with a blender, but then I thought to show you guys this method. After grating our okra, it is time for us to wash our protein, and the protein we are using today is our fish. Please, whenever you get fish from the market, especially from those local vendors, please try to wash it very well. Wash it very, like 2 to 3 times, and when you are washing it, add salt. That way you are killing germs already. Please wash your fish. I'm saying it again, wash your protein very well. And if you must put head of fish, please remove all the dirt from inside, everything totally. So yeah, this is the second time I am rinsing my fish. After washing it for the first time, I want to rinse it again for the second time to be sure of no dirt at all, until the water runs very clean, until the water is clean. So I'm washing it now for the second time, and yeah, I am rinsing it for the third time. Please don't be in an hurry. There is a controversy that pomo doesn't give nutrients. Some say it gives, some say it doesn't, but still, wash your pomo. You see the way I'm scraping it? Scrape it very well, because if you know the process it undergoes before coming to this final result, you will know that you have to wash your pomo very, especially when it is not the fresh one. Please wash your pomo. Wash it. See what I scrape inside the plate. Please wash your pomo very well. So after making sure that my pomo is thoroughly washed, I proceeded to cutting it into these thin slices you are seeing. After prepping your ingredients, kilo cool, now it's time for us to cook the meal. So I added water into the pot, adding my protein, which is fish, go in with our pomo and our pepper. Then we stir that to combine. Then I went in with a little bit of red oil or palm oil to elevate the face of our soup. Then we go in with our crayfish and one of the pepper soup ingredients. We are going to use the second one later, but not now. Then we stir that and seasoning cube, and the seasoning cube I'm using here is called chicken flavor, but you can use any one of your choice like Maggi or no. Then after that, you go in with your salt, you stir and taste your food. You are the one cooking it, so that you'll be able to adjust in between. While that is being on fire, I proceeded to cut in our scent leaf. And let me say this before I forget, please don't say because I use 3 Maggi, you also use 3 Maggi. Adjust to your taste, please. If you see that it is not giving, you add. Please don't say because I use so. Then after that, I remove the fish because I want to debone it. I want to remove the bone and scatter it. Then we went in with our grated okra or chopped okra into the pot. Then we stir it very well in order for it to combine together with your sauce that is on the fire. And after you stir and it's well combined, and you see that the consistency that is giving you is too thick and you don't want, please do well to add water until it reach the consistency you want. But while doing this, don't add too much, so that after cooking finish, you decided that your okra was watery. Add it little by little, bit by bit, stir and see it. Then after that, we went in with the other what is it called, other pepper soup spices. We used one before, so this is the second one we are using now. I know you are going to be seeing different angles with different lighting. Please watch the video. It is NEPA that is showing itself. Then after that, you stir very well and go in with your scent leaf. But then if you did not see scent leaf in your area, you can use oziza leaves too. Why are we doing this? Is because we want to elevate the aroma, since it's a pepper soup okra. And by now, I'm very sure your kitchen will be scenting pepper soup, that pepper soup flavor. Now people will even think you are cooking pepper soup, either goat meat or chicken pepper soup at this point. By now, you add your fish because you don't want to overcook your okra. You still want that crunchiness. So your soup is ready. Can you see that? Please, when you follow this step to step, the way I've shown you in this video, you will come out with a very, very, very delicious meal. And so this is what 3,000 naira was able to give us. The quantity of the soup, it's much. It can serve about 4 to 5 people per plate. You can tag this with semo, akpu, fufu, eba, with yam, pounded yam, or any swallow of your choice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.